Josh Niehaus here with the Elite Group Property Inspections. Our company has been in business since 1984. Last year we completed over 22,000 home inspections right here in Southern California. I like to explain to my clients that a home inspector is kind of like a general doctor for the body, but a general doctor for the home. They're evaluating many of the systems inside the home, the structure, the plumbing, the heating, the electrical, the roof, the foundation, the grounds. They're checking over 1,800 items in these areas. At the end of our inspection, we give our clients a summary page, and also all of our reports are available the same day. We actually put them in this nice little binder here, and with every single inspection we give our clients a homeowner's maintenance manual. This is an awesome book, how to maintain your home. We also have several other benefits in working with our company. Some of these are, we have a 5-year leak protection guarantee on the roof. This 5-year leak protection guarantee on the roof, if our inspectors are inspecting the roof, they don't notice any evidence of past damage or current leaking, we guarantee that roof will not leak in 5 years. If it does, your clients can access up to $3,500 worth of coverage just for using us for the home inspection. We also have mold safe. With mold safe, if mold is overlooked in the transaction and you move in, or the buyers move into their house and they find mold that was not disclosed to them, we have a policy to help take care of that in the event that that is overlooked. We also have Sewer Guard. Sewer Guard covers the main water lines and sewer lines outside of the foundation of the home, up to $4,000 worth of coverage, once again just for using us for home inspections. Now, we provide tons more value. And I believe that's how we met Rudy. And Rudy and his team are all about providing the most value to their clients. And we came along and we kind of crossed paths because Rudy and his team, they go above and beyond for all their clients. And they saw all the value that we were providing, and it kind of just worked well. We were on the same path of providing tons of value for our clients and protecting them when they're moving into their new houses. So we met Rudy about 7 years ago, just a small little team in office. And now fast forward 7 years, they're the #1 RE/MAX office in all of California, and they're serving and helping so many people, and it's all value based. They only work with the best companies because they want to provide a world-class customer service experience for their clients. And we're super proud to be aligned with them and a part of that journey. And my name is Josh Niehaus. If you have any questions about home inspections at all, you can call me at 909-912-4607. You can also email me at elitegroupjosh.com or go to our website, eliteinspections.com. Thanks so much, everybody. Hope you have an amazing day.
Are you thinking of selling your home? This is John Cobelt with important facts for home sellers. Why waste time with an ordinary agent? Call my friend and agent, Rudy Kusuma. Rudy may already have a buyer for your home. Rudy has thousands of qualified buyers in his exclusive Buyers in Waiting program. The fact is, Rudy Kusuma has more buyers, which means more money and a faster sale for you. Call the only one I would trust to sell my home. Call Rudy now at 855-RUDY-SELLS, 855-RUDY-SELLS, or RudyHasTheBuyers.com, RudyHasTheBuyers.com.